Hey guys, so today we actually have an interesting launcher for you. This is called the Niagara launcher, and to be honest, it's really interesting. So starting off right away, you can see on your screen how minimalistic it is. We actually looked at a very minimalistic type of launcher recently, and it was a lot more minimalistic than this one, but this one actually is a little bit more practical than that last one. So what you do is start off right away by choosing 8 apps that you want to go ahead and have. So for example, my 8 apps end up being Maps, Calendar, Clock, Calculator, Camera, Chrome, Game Pass, and Kindle. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't go ahead and have any more apps. You can see on the right hand side here, you actually have all the letters of the alphabet. And in order to go ahead and see all your other apps, all you have to do is click on, let's say, letter A, and then the left hand side here will go ahead and give you all your icons with the level A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all that kind of good stuff, as you guys can see. Or you can, once you go ahead and click on that, it does also let you be able to scroll down and click on whatever one you want. So that is a really cool. I definitely think that's very awesome. Now what this does is, like I said before, it's very minimalistic. It takes away the, I guess I don't say the issue, but it takes away all the apps on your screen. So you have the 8 apps that you want to use all the time. And to be honest, that's really nice. I will definitely say that, because these are the apps that I probably use on a daily, not completely customized to what I use. I'll probably use like Instagram or Twitter on here. And yeah, that's probably pretty much it. But it's apps I use all the time. So when I open up my phone, bam, right here, left hand side, there's all the apps. And I will say, definitely in phone mode, this is actually a lot better. I like it better in phone mode than I do in tablet mode. Most of these launchers I actually like better in tablet mode, surprisingly enough. This is the only launcher I have looked at so far where I'm actually like, wow, this actually looks a little bit better in my opinion in phone mode. Most of these launchers don't work in phone mode. Most of these launchers, you have to have it vertically. This launcher is not that is not the case. This launcher is actually very customized to this completely. Like, if you told me that this launcher was made for this device, I would absolutely be like, that makes absolute sense. I mean, if you guys look at this, right, no matter what way I put the Surface Duo, it's absolutely customized for this device. I can have it phone mode, I can have it this mode, I can have it in tablet mode. It's going to be customized completely for this device. And if I go ahead and I have it like, in what would be called tent mode, well, if it was open, I can go ahead and just, see all my applications on the right hand side, and then go back to my main screen whenever I want to. So I do definitely think that's awesome. I will say, overall wise, will I be rocking this on a daily? No. Could I see somebody rocking this on a daily? Absolutely, yeah. Like, for example, especially, like, I don't want to be mean, but if you are older, right, and you have this phone and you're like, I don't want to do all this stuff going through these apps. I just want my go-to apps to always be on my screen no matter what. And right now it's actually bugged. Hang on. There we go. So I want my go-to apps to always be on my screen no matter what. This actually is not a bad thing. I don't think this app is bad in any stretch of imagination. And right now it's a little bugged. There we go. So it's not bad. It's literally just exactly what you want. And for some people, like I said with the minimalistic launcher, that's perfect. That's all they want. And to be honest, there is something about having something minimalistic, having something where it's not like, as crazy, insane as other launchers are. And this launcher, unlike other launchers, if you go ahead and click on, you just hold on to the screen. It says right here, the widgets. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Might be a little bugged. I can't. Hang on. Let me try this again. Let me try. Okay. It looks like it wants me to drag it up, but it's not dragging up. Let me try in phone mode and let's see if I can drag this up. There we go. So if you drag it up in phone mode, it works. In tablet mode, it doesn't work. So maybe not customized for the Surface Duo. Okay, I will definitely say that. So it says right here, the widgets, you have calendar, weather, and you have add custom widget. You can show clock, show medium widget, while playing music, show battery percentage, and move widget. And then the settings are right there. So again, not much to really break down, or not much to go ahead and really, show off, which again, like I said, I feel like that's the point why you get this launcher. It is absolutely free. There is no ads for this launcher. Some of the launchers we looked at have been paid when it comes to having ads on them. This does not. And for the Surface Duo, I will say this is the most non-glitchy launcher we have seen, as it did glitch out for a second right over there. But overall, for the Surface Duo, when it comes to just customize and working absolutely perfectly fine, I gotta give this launcher, in my opinion, a 7. No. I'm gonna be nice to this launcher. 8.5 out of 10. 8.5. Because I think I gave the Minimalistic, the first one, an 8 out of 10. I kind of just like this one better. Just a tad bit better. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.